So very good morning girls. So once again I welcome to the online classes of the numerical analysis, and the lecture number is 23. Okay. So in the previous lecture we are discussing the problem, right? So in that problem actually here I calculated the maximum value and minimum value. So now here how is the maximum value? So we are getting that the minimum value is some 0.00 and the maximum value is 0.0. So see here ma, how the value, it is a very near value to 0. So can I ignore this one? Yes, we can. So for this what I am doing is next let us consider. So actually here I have to know about the error. So now here I am calculating g of x is nothing but x minus 2 into x minus 2.75 into x minus 4. Okay. So now here simply we have to calculate the polynomial equation, and after that simply we have to substitute the required values. Okay. So now here just calculate the value ma, g of x is equal to, first of all I am calculating x minus 2 into x minus 4, x minus 2.75 into x square minus 6x plus 8. Okay, now x cube and minus 6x square plus 8x. Okay, so then next minus 2.75 x square minus into minus plus 2.7. So here they took in a fractions ma. So now here also I am also going to take in a fractions. So now listen, first of all I will multiply 2.75 into 6. Okay, 16.5 x minus plus into minus minus 2.75 into 8. Okay, 22. Now what I am doing is x cube minus 6x square plus 8x minus 275 by 100 x square plus 165 by 10x minus 22. So now here what we get my x cube, and here see minus 6 minus 275 by 100. At a side we will do. So minus 6 minus 2 table lo. 2 55s are 2 20s are 2 11s are 2 4s are, right? So now here minus 11 by 4. Now minus 24 minus 11 by 4. Minus 24 minus 11. So it is nothing but minus 35 by 4. Yes. So minus 35 by 4 x square. Okay. Next x terms. So here what we have 8 plus 165 by 10. 5 table. So 5 table means 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 5 2s are. So now here 8 plus 33 by 2. Now 16 plus 33 by 2. So now here 9 and 4, 49 by 2. So plus 49 by 2 x minus 22. This is nothing but the value of the g of x. Now here to know clear values I have to take the derivative with respect to x. Okay. So now here differentiate with respect to x. So then g dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 2x, 2 to get cancelled, minus 35 by 2x plus 49 by 2. Okay. So this is nothing but the value. Now here what they are saying is directly, so simply they are substituting that the values like x is equal. So simply here first of all here we have to know about the values of the x, because in the question they didn't mention. In a previous question they mentioned that x is equal to 3, but here they are not mentioning. No. That's why here what we have 3x square minus 35 by 2x plus 49 by 2, and just we have to take that it is somewhat equal to 0, and the next here by taking the LCM we will get that 6x square minus 35x plus 49, and 6 into 49 that is 294, and for the 294 we have to take the fractions and simply we have to solve for the values of the x. So here directly what I am doing is directly I am writing ma. So 1 by 2 of 3x minus 7 into 2x minus 7. If you want then you can calculate. So now here we have the values for x and two values for x, right. So by taking this one we have to calculate the functional value. Okay. So now here So from the g dash of x we calculated the value of the x, right? So now here put 3x minus 7 equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 7 by 3. Then what is the value of the g of x? G of x is nothing but x cube 7 by 3 whole cube minus 35 by 4 into 7 by 3 whole square plus 49 by 2 into 7 by 3 minus 22. So actually here they got the answer in a fractions ma. So simply I am going to calculate in a decimals. So 7 divided by 3 and a whole cube 12.7037. So I am taking that 704 minus 7 divided by 3 whole square, just calculate while I am saying whole square into open bracket 35 divided by 4 close bracket, then it is 47.6388 we have. So I am taking 9 next plus 49 divided by 2 equal to some value into open bracket 7 by 3 ma, 7 by 3 close the bracket, 57.167 minus 22. Now 12.704 minus 47.639 plus 57.167 minus 22. So 0.232. Just I will check the value. They gave that. Yes. So our answer is correct. Now it is nothing but g of x value is this one when x is equal to 7 by 3. In a similar way, just put that 2x minus 7 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 7 by 2. So when x is equal to 7 by 2, then g of x is nothing but 7 by 2 whole cube minus 35 by 4 into 7 by 2 whole square plus 49 by 2 into 7 by 2 minus 22. So now here you will get the value, just calculate, and here you will get that some 0.56 so on. Okay, I am giving the 25. You will get some approximate value also. So now here we calculated the value of the g of x in both cases, but actually what we have to calculate ma? We have to calculate the total error, right? So total error means what is the formula? I consider some f triple dash and so on, no? Now what is the formula? F triple dash of xi of x by n 3 factorial the next into x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2. So here I am going to calculate the total value now. So now here what we get? So which is less than or equal to, we have to consider that should be less than or equal. Okay. So now here what we have here, that is nothing but we calculated the maximum value, right? So I am taking the maximum only. Okay, minimum also maximum error ne nenu discuss chestunna. And next x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 we have. So here I am taking that it is nothing but we can take in any way, and here we have that 0.232 and 0.5625. I am taking here also maximum value, that is nothing but 0.5625. And here we have yeah. So it is minus here you will get minus. So now here what we have 0.232 and 0.5625. So here I am taking this value, you can take this one also, there is no problem. So now here calci 0.5625 divided by 16, 0.0351 actually here they are taking that minus 9 by 16 and 1 by 16 into 6 also. Yeah, okay. if I take 0.232 divided by 16, 0. Yes, so here also I am taking the maximum value, so the maximum value is 0.232, so then we are getting that 0.0145. so now the error is nothing but 0.0145. actually now you will get the doubt, ma'am enduku madam idantha ante nothing ma, nothing serious here, just they are giving one problem. Okay, so by taking that problem we are calculating the exact value also, like you know f of 3 we calculated, and by using the polynomial equation also we are calculated, just to know the errors. అంటే calculation చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఫంక్షన్లో వచ్చే ఎర్రర్ ఎక్కడుంది, ఎలా ఉంది, ఎంత ఉంది అని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడానికి ఇలా. ఓకే, అండ్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ మోస్ట్లీ దే నాట్ ఆస్క్ అబౌట్ ద ఎర్రర్, ఇఫ్ దే ఆస్క్ it is enough to take this one. Okay, so and the next we have that one just we have a few problems. I am going to give all the hints to you, so please calculate all those. Okay, now here the question is for the given functions. Okay, for the given function f of x is equal to cos x, let x not equal to 0, x1 equal to 0.6, x2 equal to 0.9. okay, for the given function f of x equal to cos x, x0, x1, x2 values they gave, and x2 equal to 0.9. construct interpolation polynomials of degree at most 1 and at most 2 to approximate f of 0.45. so simply here I am going to say the procedure, and they ask the error also. simply finally you can calculate the error, just now I said. now here what you have to take, you have that f of x, so now x not equal to 0, x1 equal to 0.6, x2 equal to 0.9. next here what you have to calculate, f of 0, f of 0.6, that means cos 0.6, and here f of 0.9 means cos 0.9. okay, here you will get the values. next we have to go for the L naught of x. so L naught of x means what is the formula, x minus x L naught, no, so x1 into x minus x2 by x naught minus x1 into x naught minus x2. calculate the value. next L1 of x means x1 x minus x naught into x minus x2 whole divided by x naught minus x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2. okay, next L2 of x means numerator lo x2 రాకూడదు, so now here x minus x naught into x minus x1, denominator lo x2 compulsory each and every term lo undali, x2 minus x naught into x2 minus x1, that's it. here you will get the values. next what you have to do ma, you have to calculate the equation, polynomial equation formula enti, p of x is equal to L naught of x into f of x naught plus L1 of x into f of x1 plus L2 of x into f of x2. okay, now here you have to substitute the values, and finally you will get one polynomial equation. okay, ఎలా వస్తుంది ఆ ఈక్వేషన్, కంపల్సరీ లైక్ యు నో దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ దట్ ఎట్ మోస్ట్ 1 degree, ఎట్ మోస్ట్ 2, ఎట్ మోస్ట్ 1 అండ్ ఎట్ మోస్ట్ 2. సో ఎట్ మోస్ట్ 1 అంటే ఆ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఏం చేయాలి, మీరు ఓన్లీ x1 వరకే తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఎట్ మోస్ట్ 2 అంటే x2 వరకే తీసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు x2 కాబట్టి x స్క్వేర్లో కూడా వస్తుంది. then we will get one polynomial equation in terms of the x square and x and so on. next what they are asking, just approximate f of 0.45. so now here you have to substitute that, finally x is equal to 0.45 and you will get one value here, and simply just I said one problem now, in the same way you have to. next you have another problem also, that is f of x is equal to ln of x plus 1. same procedure, okay, same values, x0, x1, x2, same values. next you have to calculate all these values and L0, L1, L2 and so on. okay, directly you have to. next for a given functions f of x is equal to, same in another problem they gave that x0 is 1 in another problem. okay, x0 is 1 and x1 is 1.25, x2 is 1.6 ma. construct interpolation, కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ఇంటర్పోలేషన్ పాలినామియల్స్ అని అడిగితే లెగ్రాంజెస్ది కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. ఇది ప్రొసీజర్. ఓకే, సో ఆఫ్ డిగ్రీ at most 1 and at most 2 to approximate f of 1.4. Here they are asking that directly after getting the polynomial equation you have to substitute that x is equal to 1.4. ఇక్కడ మీకు at most 1 and at most 2 అని చెప్తున్నారు, బట్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఏదైనా ఒకటే అడుగుతారు. మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి, సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ చేయాలి. ln of x plus 1 మీకు క్యాల్సీలో ln అని ఉంటుంది, డైరెక్ట్గా అక్కడ మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ln of x plus 1 అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ln of what is the value, first value 1, so 1 plus 1, so ln of 2, just calculate that value. Here we have ln, in calci directly we have ln here, ln of 2, directly we will get that 0.693 and so on. Okay, like that you have to calculate, same procedure, but finally after getting the polynomial equation what you have to do, ma, you have to substitute that x is equal to 1.4. So girls, please calculate all this, ma, because I have to know are you listening the classes or not. Okay, and next one, write down next problem. Let p3 of x, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ప్రాక్టికల్స్ అందుకనే హింట్స్ ఇస్తున్నా. Let p3 of x be the interpolating polynomial for the data 0, 0, 0.5, y, 1, 3, 2, 2. The coefficients of x cube in p3 of x is 6. Find y. We have to calculate y. Simple thing, ma. What they mentioned, by interpolating polynomial. Okay, so it is nothing but x0 comma f of x0. Okay, now x1 comma f of x1, next x2 comma f of x2, next x3 comma f of x3. Now you will get the doubt, ma'am, how we have to calculate, right? So directly here they gave some values and they mentioned coefficient of the x cube is equal to 6, and they didn't give the functional value, ma, right? Let p3 of x be the interpolating polynomial for the data, and 4 points here. The coefficient of x cube in p3 of x is 6. Find y. Okay, so directly here we have to take the value, and of course here you have to take that. Already we have x0, x1, x2, x3, no? So now you have to calculate L0, L1, L2, L3 by taking the formulas. Okay, ఇప్పుడు L0 of x కి ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందంటే x minus ఇంకొక వాల్యూ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది కదా, that's why here x minus x3 by x0 minus x3. Remember that one. Okay, మనకి ఎన్ని వాల్యూస్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతాయి ఇక్కడ అన్ని టర్మ్స్ పెరుగుతాయి. Okay, now here x minus x3, x1 minus x3, now into here already I gave all these formulas, ma. Now x minus x2 by x2 minus x2 లో I mean L2 లో x2 రాకూడదు అలా. ఓకే, now here x3. Now L3 of x is nothing but x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into I mean x minus x3, we no need to write that one. Now x3 minus x0 into x3 minus x1 into x3 minus x2. Okay, now just directly take the polynomial equation, L0 f of x0 and L1 f of x1 and plus L2 f of x2. Actually here they didn't mention the functional value, that's why they gave the values directly. Okay, L0 means here we will get one value into 0, so that definitely it should be 0. Next some L1 plus L1 into y plus L2 into 3 plus L4 into 2. So just calculate L1, L2, L3, L4 and substitute here, and what they mentioned that the coefficient of the x cube is x cube in p3 of x is 6. So now here you will get that the x cube term and take that the coefficient is 6 and compare then simply you will get the answer. Okay, so just calculate it and I will say the answer to you. Okay, and next put is next chapter ma, that is data approximation and Navier-Stokes method. Data approximation and Navier-Stokes method, Neville-S, Navier-Stokes method. Okay, so now here simply I am going to give the values to you. Okay, this formula. Now write on ma. Definition. Let f be a function. Let f be a function defined at x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma up to so on xn and suppose that m1 comma m2 comma m3 comma up to so on mk are k distinct integers, are k distinct integers with 0 less than or equal to mi less than or equal to n for each I. The Lagrange polynomial that agrees with f of x, at the k points, xm1, xm2, xm3, xm4 and so on xmk is denoted as pm1 comma pm2 comma pm1 comma m2 comma m3 comma m4 and so on mk of x. So you have to remember this one. So in a Navier-Stokes method, how we have to define how we have to denote the values. So like p and so on, like this 0 comma 1 comma 2 of x, like this they we have to write the values, and no problem, don't worry, I will give the hints how to remember the formulas of related to this one, and now we will discuss one table, by that you will get the clarity. Okay, so is it clear now? So just what they are saying is, in the Navier-Stokes method we will use that the form is like this. Okay, so next, actually here we have one problem. So first, before that I want to give the clarity about this, so that's why here I am going to draw one table to you to understand easily. Okay, now write down, take one table, just I am taking few values I am taking. Okay, just for understanding purpose I am giving this one, x0, x1, x2, x3. Okay, next here p0 means f of x value, so we will get p1, p2, p3, p4 also. Next what you have to remember is, no need to take it here, so just we have to take that p0 comma 1. Okay, next, so p0 is finished. Next here in this middle, so here p1 comma 2. Next, ignore this one, here what we get, p2 comma 3, the next p3 comma 4. Okay, next here 0 1 2. Next, actually here we can write in a middle also, so I will say in the middle how to write, so then you will remember easily. 0 1. Okay, e middle ki vachesthundi. Next, e middle ante em ravali, 1 comma 2. Next, p2 comma 3. Got it ma? Next, p3 comma 4. That's it. Next, middle term is finished. Next, here we have to take these two. So here what we have, 0 1 2. So that's why 0 comma 1 comma 2. Clear? Okay. Next, these two. Then what we get, p1 comma 2 comma 3. No need to write twice. It is enough to write once. So now here p2 comma 3 comma 4. ఓకే, మీకు ఒకవేళ ప్రాబ్లం ఇలా అడిగే నెవియర్-స్టోక్స్ మెథడ్లో ప్రాబ్లం అడిగితే మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా ఇలా టేబుల్స్ కూడా వేసుకొని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు, ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, నా 0 1 2 1 2 3. నా వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ 0 1 2 3. ఓకే, నా 0 1 2 3 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. నెక్స్ట్ and we have to write until we will get like one corner. Okay, so now here p 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 అన్ని వాల్యూస్ వచ్చేవరకు రాయాలి. Got it ma? So like this we have to take. Okay, so meeku ikkada formulas confuse ayya anukondi with help teeskochu. Okay, so this is today's class ma. So in the next class I'll discuss the problems related to this Nebulous method, and actually we have some applications related to this Nebulous method ma. That's it, and after that we have another chapter, that is divided difference. That is very easy, and in that we have to discuss 3 types. Okay, with that unit 2 will be finishes, and I'll cover the entire syllabus ma, because here if I give the correct output, then only you can prepare like a 1 or 2 units. Otherwise, once already I said to create one group which is combined of MPCS and MSTCS and MCCS, మీ 3 groups కూడా కలిపి ఒక group గా చేయండి, and I want to discuss with you. So please do for that for me. I hope you will do, and we will talk in that group. Okay, thank you everyone, have a nice day. I hope that it is clear ma, and calci మాత్రం కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి. Okay, thank you.